Alright.
Maybe on the table over here or maybe back there.
Lock.
I see it from here. Over there on the right hand side.
Unlocked.
A red flashlight.
Unlocked, it works the mechanism. Locked, we're pulling that latch away and cannot work the mechanism. Notice when I squeeze the handle, this did not spring back. See, squeeze the handle, it stays there. Should go back like that. Squeeze the handle, it stays there. Now, watch when I go to unlock. Boom. That is now in the way. Squeeze the handle, still doesn't do anything. It's because it's on the wrong side of the lever. Now, squeeze the handle, and it works.